Hello guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pipe using Creo pipe application. Okay, so there are various different methods also to create the pipe. Like you can create the pipe using sweep command, or you can create the pipe using a pipe command. And there is another method which is pipe application, which most of the people don't know how to create pipe through that application. So in this video, I'm specifically going to teach you how to create a pipe through that application. So let's get started. First of all, you need to create a pipe. You need to create an assembly because pipe application works in the assembly, not in the part mode. That's the main difference in sweep command and in the pipe application command. Okay, so I will select assembly, design. Okay. Now, in this, I would like to first add points through which my curve will pass or through which the pipe will be created. Okay, so I will go to point, offset coordinate system, select that and select here and OK. Here the model tree is not visible, so go to setting, tree filters, then select features from here and say OK. Now you can see the features explains all the things. Okay, so now select uh, coordinate. Okay, now select point. Now I got 0 0 point here. Now I'll take next point, which is also 0 0. Now I'll drag that point to upward. Okay, somewhat 250. Okay, now I'll take third point on the similar to the previous point. Okay, so that third point I will drag into the X direction in 200 inch. Okay, now I'll take fourth point, which will be similar to the previous points coordinates. I'll test it. Okay, this is my point, this is third point. I will drag into the Z direction. Okay, now I'll say okay. Now I have got 4 points. 1 2 3 4. Now I'll draw a 3D curve from here. For that you have to go to datum, curve, curve through points. Now select this point, second point, third point, and fourth point. Now you can see that the curves are very curvy. It's not straight, and we do not create pipes like in the highlighted way. So we will select straight here. The edges we just have to make straight here. To go to placement, select point 2, select straight line, go to point 3, straight line, point 4, straight line. Okay, now I have to add a radius, bend radius here. So the basic rule of creating any pipe is that your bend radius of the pipe should be equal to the maximum or outer diameter of your pipe. For example, if I'm creating a pipe of a diameter 50 mm, then the radius of the bending of the pipe should be minimum 50. Okay, so I will add a fillet here, which would be 50 in radius. Okay, so I'll go to point 3, add a fillet. Okay, there are two bends, and to two bends I have added 50-50 radius. Now say okay. Now I have created a curve here. Now I will go to the pipe applications here. Go to application. Now select piping here. Now you have entered into the piping application. Now first of all you have to go to create pipeline. Select that and give name anything you want. I'll say ABC. Select. Now say you have to give the name for stock name. So I will go CDE. Now say enter. Okay. Now here you can see pipe OD is here. So I'll say pipe OD is my 50. Then here you can see the bend radius is here. I'll say bin radius is equal to 50 because we know the bend radius of the pipe should be equal to OD of the pipes. So I'll say okay. Now you have to go to set start, select 1 point, now go to 2 point. Okay, now select the second point, then third point, then fourth point, and say okay. Now go to solid pipe. Here, after going here, select it, select this curve, and say okay. And hooray, you got the pipe here. And as we know that we had created a pipe of the outer diameter of the pipe was how much? It was about 50, I think. So I'll close it and let's measure it. Go to analysis, select the measure, and see 50 diameter. I said it. So this is the method how to create the pipe through pipe application.